Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review of this stackable chair set. First I'm going to show you the box and how it arrived. The chairs came packed with the parts inside, and I like that this set comes with 2 chairs, so it's nice option if you want matching outdoor seating for your patio, backyard, porch, garden, or around the fire pit. Here is what comes inside the box. You get the chair pieces, the hardware, and the parts needed to put it together. Of course, you're gonna get also a user manual. One thing I noticed from the listing is that the chair is mostly pre-assembled, and it says that it has 6 parts and 4 steps for assemble. So the setup is pretty simple and not too complicated. After they assemble, this is how the chairs look. They have the tall back, wide armrest, and nice deep seat, so it gives that relaxed outdoor look. Also, this chair is made from HDPE material, so it's designed for outdoor use. It's made to be waterproof, UV resistant, and corrosion resistant. We live in Chicago, and we do have 4-season weather, so that was very important to us. Also, what I like is this cup holder, so when we sit around the fire pit, we always have a drink with us, so that's very convenient here. I also like that these chairs, they're stackable, so you can always stack them together and put them away if you don't need them right now, so they don't take that much space. Also, on the listing, it says that the chairs, they can hold up to 380 pounds. Very comfortable chair. If you're looking for a set of 2 outdoor chairs that are stackable, easy to maintain, and have a cup holder, this is a nice option to consider.